how to download YouTube Music on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the YouTube Music app on a mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on an Android device or App Store on an iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in YouTube Music and search for it. Select the first search result for YouTube Music. Tap on the install button. The YouTube Music app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use the YouTube Music app on a mobile device. Simply tap the open button. Now log into your account if you have one or sign up for a new account. Give all the necessary permissions. After that, you will be all set to start listening to or watching content on YouTube Music. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to download and install the YouTube Music app on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.